Imagine this. You're earning a decent salary, but every single month, that familiar knot in your stomach returns. You open your banking app, heart racing a little, hoping this time it'll be different. It never is. The money's gone again, vanished into thin air. You're not lazy. You're not careless. You're just exhausted from fighting a battle you didn't sign up for. And deep down, that quiet fear creeps in. Will I ever get ahead? Or is this my life forever? You're watching the Personal Finance Channel.
I get it. That sinking feeling when bills arrive before your paycheck even clears. The guilt after one small treat that turns into a $200 hole. The anger at yourself for not being better with money. In 2026, inflation isn't just a headline. It's personal. It's the reason your grocery bill feels like robbery. It's the reason vacations feel impossible. And worst of all, it's the reason that hope you once had for a better future starts fading. But listen, you're not broken. The system is rigged against you if you don't manage it right. And the scariest part? Most people never realize the one thing that's silently stealing their peace. It's not your fault entirely, but it's this: invisible spending. Those tiny decisions that feel harmless. Another subscription, another I deserve this purchase, another just this once. They add up to thousands every year. And in 2026's economy, every dollar lost hurts twice as much. The fear is real. What if this continues? What if 5 years from now you're still here, still stressed, still stuck? But here's where the hope starts creeping in. Because the fix isn't complicated. It's just been hidden from you until now. Imagine this feeling instead. Opening your app and smiling, seeing real progress, knowing your money is finally working for you, not against you. That relief when an unexpected bill hits and it doesn't ruin your month. That pride when you say no to impulse buys and watch your savings grow. This is possible, not for rich people, for anyone willing to make a few honest changes. Step 1. Face the truth. Track every penny for 30 days. It will hurt at first. You'll feel exposed, maybe even ashamed. But that pain, it's temporary. And on the other side is freedom. You'll see exactly where your peace is leaking and finally plug those holes. Step 2. Build your safety net. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield account. The first time you hit that goal, the weight lifts. You breathe easier. No more lying awake, worrying about what-ifs. Step 3. Stop surviving. Start multiplying. Automate 20 to 30% of your income to investments before you even see it. Index funds, dividend stocks. Simple, boring, but powerful. In 2026, markets reward people who just show up consistently. This is how ordinary people become quietly unstoppable. You won't feel like a millionaire overnight, but you will feel something better: control, hope, pride, the knowledge that your future isn't decided by luck or inflation. It's decided by you. If this stirred something inside you, that mix of frustration and hope, then don't stop here. Smash that like button if you're ready to stop feeling stuck. Subscribe to the Personal Finance Channel right now, because we're in this together. More honest breakdowns, more real steps, more ways to turn fear into freedom every single week. Hit the bell so you never miss the next one. Comment below. What's the one money feeling that's been holding you back? Let's turn it into fuel. You've got this. See you in the next video.